So I'm out here looking at the passion flowers. Um, it looks like on the ones that get pollinated, this little ball underneath those 3 petals or whatever is what turns into the fruit on the ones that are the ones that have been pollinated. Like that one, I guess, will probably get bigger. Saw some that had just started, but I guess I lost sight of them. But yeah, you could see on this one where the flowers dried up, and then that's where them 3 things were on the bottom of it. I know I saw one that was starting to maybe it was that one right there. Yeah. But yeah, these are really neat looking. They smell really good. Fruits are getting bigger. They start to turn yellow when they're ripe, and they'll be heavier because they fill up with they got these seeds that are surrounded by a pocket of liquid, kind of in the same way of like the individual segments of like a citrus fruit, but the seeds encased within that. But yeah, the skins will start to turn yellow, and you can smell them when they're all the way ripe. I've had some that weren't quite ripe, and they just kind of tasted like maybe like a cross between like a lime and a cucumber, which wasn't bad, but they're really supposed to be like a really sweet and fragrant tropical flavor. And I've only had one that was quite like that, but it was quite dry last year, so I'm expecting they'll be better this year, but we'll see. That's about it.